Okay, so in these videos so far, we've looked at food chains, food webs, energy, and then the calculation of efficiency. So we're going to focus on pyramids of numbers in this particular video. Now, pyramids of numbers can be a little bit misleading because when you think pyramid, you think triangle. You think the pyramids in Egypt. Now, be careful, not all of them actually look like a pyramid. Most do, but if they're trying to catch you out in the exam, they may throw you a slightly different example. So we're going to look at two examples, a typical one and then a more tricky one. So we'll use the same food chain we've used in the last two videos. So grass, rabbit, and fox. Now, what we do, like a pyramid, we start at the base. We start at the base. Now, the base is normally the widest part, okay? So if we think about the grass, we draw a bar, nice big bar for the grass, because there's a lot of grass. So if you think about the school field, there's lots of grass on there, okay? Now, sometimes they apply numbers to this. So I don't know, let's say we have 1,000 grass on the field. So the bottom part, we always put the plants at the bottom of the pyramid. The next stage then is we move up to the rabbits, the herbivores. So we draw our bar in for them. So let's say this time, I don't know, 10. There are 10 rabbits on the field. Okay? So this time then, we normally have our herbivore or herbivores. And then we go to the final stage, which is the fox. So let's say there's only one fox. So at the top now, we've got the carnivores. So we go from the bottom, and we work our way up. Plants first, herbivores, and then the carnivore at the top. You'll notice the numbers decrease, so we get that typical triangular pyramid shape. Now, for some examples, you might get some strange looking pyramids. Like, for example, if we have a look at this. Okay, now that is a pyramid of numbers, but it doesn't look like a pyramid. And that's because we're looking purely at the numbers of the individuals. So let's say, for example, this was a tree. There's only one tree. So we've only got a small bar. Or two trees or three trees. As we move up to the herbivores, this could be some insects. So there are possibly thousands, hundreds of thousands of insects on the tree. This could be some form of bird, like a thrush. So there's a few thrushes. And then this could be some form of, I don't know, an eagle, which predates on the thrush. So you'll notice we are still moving up, but because it's numbers, we haven't got that typical pyramid structure. So be careful with these. Not all look like a pyramid, like this one. Some can be a little bit different, but if you just order them in the same way, plant at the bottom, herbivore, and then we move our way up to the carnivores, you'll have no problems. Okay, thank you.